Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can do the no arm and no leg hack on Dress to Impress. So the no leg requires VIP, but for the first one you don't need it. Go to the code section, so like the dressing rooms, select the items that you've purchased, and you're going to select this shirt, if I can just find it. There we go. And you can color to whatever color you want. I'm just going to color all black just to make it simpler, easier. And then you're going to select the shirt, and as you can see you are left with like an armless person. And for the second one you will need, I think it's this one, and you'll need this dress from VIP, which is this one. Put it on, and as you can see you'll have the no leg glitch as well. I like to pair it with these see-through stockings so that you can see more of the effect. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple and easy. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!